Okay guys, real quick before the video starts, I just want to say, like, you probably should skip most of it until like you see the time lapse and the room tour, because it's mostly just me talking and like non-stop talking. So I'm editing right now and I'm about to post this in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's mostly me talking most of the time, but also time lapse of what I did and what we did and me setting up and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you want the room tour, it's all the way at the end. I'm not gonna do an ending intro because my dad's on his way to pick me up and I have to get ready and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good morning, guys. It is 8:03. I'm on my computer. I'm about to start school. I just got notifications. I have about, let's see, I already did a question thing that we have to do. I have about about 2 quizzes, and then something for a story that we were doing. So I hate doing these though. It's annoying as heck, but I'll get it done. It's gonna be a good day. It only has 3. Hopefully there's no more quizzes. There's already a quiz for theology, which is religion for me, and then I have my 2 ELA stuff that I have to do for 2 things that we were doing. And it's 8:04. I don't really know what else I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna just check up time to time. I'm not gonna show my face because like just woke up. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna see how it goes, because I'm not really good with tests, but I'm good with doing assignments. So yeah, I'm gonna go see how that is. My mom is still asleep right now. My brother's still asleep. My stepdad and my sister, I think, are awake. I just woke up right now again, because I woke up like really early, and then I went back to sleep, and then I woke up early again, and then I went back to sleep, because I have a weird schedule. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that. But today's gonna be a good day. My stepdad's gonna be getting out at like 9, my mom said. So they might start my room, so I might have to time lapse earlier, but you might not see me. So I'm gonna start doing this. Shut up. Sorry. But we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I love you guys. I will see you in a little bit. I need to stop doing transitions so much and just stop talking and just make the video. We gotta work on that, but I will see you guys in a little bit. What is up, guys? So have one more thing to do for school. They did take a while. I had something due that I didn't do yesterday, so I just finished that. Yeah. So my room, that's the room I'm going to be using. We're not done, because of course there's still some stuff in the closet, and gotta take that out. But this is my room. It's a lot bigger, a lot more better, a lot more colder, better window and stuff. It's less small. So I didn't time lapse that, but I might time lapse when we are putting all my stuff in here. We still have a bunch to do. It's just have one assignment, but it's not big. It's really small. It's really easy. My sister and my brother are gonna be going to my Nina's, and while we do this, just gonna be there. And there's a fly in here. Jeez, okay. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I still have class, so. What is up, guys? I need to get my glasses because I took them off right now. But what is up, guys? So I'm gonna do a room tour right now. I have my TV on my floor, but yeah, my room is half complete. I still have my skateboards to go, but that is going to be tomorrow. So I don't know if I will post this today or tomorrow, but I'm gonna do a room tour like right now. I don't know if I should do it slow-mo or like right now. Whatever it's called. About it, I don't care. I'm getting tired. It was very hard. This took out most of the time.
My thing, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag